In the world of beauty, one name stands out among the rest: Clinique Smart Custom Repair Moisturizer with SPF 15, a savior for very dry skin. With its dual action of moisturizing and sun protection, it promises to give your skin the care it deserves. Now imagine waking up to a radiant, plump skin, free from dryness, and protected from the harsh rays of the sun. That's the magic Clinique Smart Custom Repair Moisturizer with SPF 15 brings to the table. It's not just about moisturizing, it's about smart care for your skin. This wonder product is packed with potent ingredients that target dryness, dullness, and fine lines. It's like having your personal skincare expert working around the clock to ensure your skin stays healthy and beautiful. And did we mention it has an SPF 15? Yes, it protects your skin from harmful UV rays while keeping it hydrated all day long. Clinique Smart Custom Repair Moisturizer is not just a product, it's a beauty revolution. It understands your skin and works diligently to restore its natural glow. Perfect for very dry skin, this moisturizer deeply hydrates and nourishes, leaving your skin soft, supple, and radiant. But what makes it truly unique is its smart technology. It customizes the repair as per your skin's needs, targeting different skin concerns at once. Whether it's dryness, fine lines, or uneven skin tone, this moisturizer tackles them all, giving you a flawless complexion. And if you're worried about harsh chemicals, rest easy. Clinique Smart Custom Repair Moisturizer is free from parabens, phthalates, and fragrance, making it a safe choice for your skin. It's allergy-tested and 100% fragrance-free. It's a product you can trust. So why wait? Give your skin the care it deserves. Experience the magic of Clinique Smart Custom Repair Moisturizer with SPF 15. It's time to embrace beautiful, radiant, and healthy skin. Try it today and let your skin thank you for it. Because beautiful skin isn't an accident, it's a choice. Choose Clinique Smart Custom Repair Moisturizer with SPF 15.